In the middle of the night, in a deserted area, the Sons of Anarchy waited for Weston's Group to settle the matter with hand-to-hand combat. Not long after, Weston's Group arrived armed. Weston's Group approached the Sons of Anarchy. However, they broke their agreement by bringing their weapons. Weston stated that he preferred victory to a deal. Jax didn't remain silent and called for reinforcements. The Ninners and the Asian gang appeared, each armed and pointing their guns at Weston's Group. Weston was stunned to discover that Sam Crow had so many reinforcements. Weston's Group, left with no choice, lowered their weapons.